All right, here is my Arduino project for ECN 101. I completed a mechatronics 2-year degree a couple years ago, and as part of that degree, I should say, and a team, I had the opportunity to make a mock scale setup of a traffic light using PLCs. And it had the whole 9 yards. It had sensors to tell it when there were cars waiting. It had crosswalks. So I thought it'd be really neat to try to reproduce the same thing with an Arduino. At first, I thought it would be not as challenging as it was. The code is not complicated, but getting the timing of these LEDs correct was a lot harder than I expected it to be. So here, these lanes start as green, those start as red, and then that will switch to yellow. Then after a delay, those will switch to red. A short delay, that lane will switch to green, and back and forth. I did try to add some push buttons to act as crosswalks, but the coding and the wiring was a lot more than I wanted to try right now. And I wanted to do this project and code it myself and not just put someone else's code into an Arduino and call it my project. At one point, I did have this wired up so that this potentiometer here would control the speed of how quickly the lights changed. But I don't know, the coding or something was really finicky with the max and low voltage coming through the potentiometer. So just for giggles, I have the blue LED there just to show for functionality's sake that I know how to make a potentiometer work. So that is my project.